Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I teach people about the stock market. Today's topic is this: which stocks should you buy for the next 20 years? Which long term stocks will guarantee you success in the next 20 years? The answer is none. Why do I say so? Well, I was asked this question on Twitter by another guy. He wanted to know which stocks he could buy and be able to get profits in the next 20 years, guaranteed. This is my take. As much as or as long as many Kenyans prefer the big five. The big five is Equity Bank, Safaricom, Coop Bank, East African Breweries, BAT. Many people prefer those big five companies because combined, those big five take up about 70% of the market. Not even 70, almost 80% of the market, just five companies. And so you may wish to invest in those companies for like 20 years and hope that you will get guaranteed profits. Of course, Safaricom has been good over the last 13 years, giving good returns. Equity Bank has also been good over the last 13 years. Coop also has been good, but not super good. But there are so many other disappointments, and there are so many other companies that have disappointed us. In my response to this man who wanted to know which companies he can buy for nearly 20 years, guaranteed profits, I told him this. I am testing a system. And the system I'm testing is simple. What I'm testing is short-term investing. And short-term investing is this. Buy company A, after 30 days, sell. Make your 10% profit. Buy company B, after 30 days, sell. Make your profit. Buy company C, after 30 days, sell. Make your profit. Repeat this over a long period of time. And my sentiments, I'm drawing this wisdom from a book by Michael Covell. He wrote a book, The Complete Turtle Trader. Michael Covell says that if you can make small profits over a long period of time, you become very, 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 very successful. Let me tell you this. Big companies like giants, let's say AIG. Once a while we were told that the earth is covered by AIG. Earth, sea, land, sea, and AIG. Big companies collapse. Enron collapsed. Big companies collapse. We used to have KPLC. Well, it's still there. It's giving us light. But KPLC, do you remember or do you know that KPLC, one stock was about 205 shillings. As I'm speaking to you, one stock is 1 bob, 1 shilling. Okay, well, 1 shilling and a few cents. So there is no single company you can say this is a giant and this is stable and this is for sure. These companies collapse. These companies develop problems. Who knew that Kenya Airways, the pride of Africa, would be having problems? Who knew Athi River Mining would be having problems? Who knew Uchumi Supermarket would be having problems and collapse eventually? Who knew Mumias Sugar Company would have problems and collapse eventually? Who knew KenGen, the only power generator, would have problems? Who knew the advertising company, Scan Group, would have problems? Who knew that BAT, the tobacco manufacturer, the cigarette manufacturer, the tobacco company, its stock was 1,050. The stock fell to 300 shillings. So there is no permanent company. You may say there are companies like Coca-Cola, which have been there for 100 years. There are others there are many others. But I'm here to challenge you. The small companies today can become giants tomorrow, and the giants of today can collapse tomorrow. So this long-term investing, it works, yes, but I'm trying to challenge that idea. I'm trying to challenge that wisdom. My thinking is simple. Invest, get your money, go home. Invest, get your money, go away. There is no single company that you can say this is rest assured. Companies are fluid. Companies come, companies go. Companies come, they go. There is no company that is permanent, and there is no company that is forever. Management change. There are some good managers that can make the company grow and grow really well or go really far. And then there are some bad managers who will come and just collapse the whole thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, from the wisdom of Michael Covell, many profitable trades give good profits in the long run. Many profitable trades give good profits in the long run. Even though I agree there are some companies that have done well, like Microsoft, Amazon in the US. There are also others in Kenya like Safaricom. But how many examples out of the 60 companies in the Nairobi Securities Exchange can you cite that have done exemplary well like Safaricom? Very few, maybe less than 5. So, ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, short-term trading or short-term profits in the long run give better results than long-term trading. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe. The link is below down there, the red button. Click the red button, and again, join us in the Telegram group. That's where we discuss the stock market 24/7. If you have questions, ask. If you don't agree with me, you can drop your comments below. That long-term investing works. Please challenge me. I'm ready to be challenged. If you support that short-term investment works, drop the links, drop your comments in the link below, and let me read. Asante sana. God bless you.